question is about Mamata Banerjee. Why did she wait for the BJP to announce a Parakram Divas for you to talk of a Desh Nayak Divas? It's a simple question.
National School of Drama.
Who's doing drama? Who's doing drama here, Smita? Who's doing this drama?
Narendra Modi never visited Bengal since 1897, since 2021.
Don't worry about Narendra Modi. Don't worry about the BJP. The question is about the TMC.
Sir,
Smita.
Ma'am,
Smita, who's provoking whom here?
Ma'am, you can crossfire. I know you have to favor BJP. You are under pressure. But let me tell you something. I support Madan Mitra's statement.
Now listen. I think I must give you a piece of advice. I just must give you a piece of advice, Tausif. It doesn't help. You know, it doesn't help.
Because
this doesn't help. People will see through you. People will see through you. You can have your leader, Madan Mitra saying cheer denge. And if I ask you a question, you have a problem with that. Tausif, and I do not care about that. Smita, who's provoking whom here? Why should we not be asking questions of Mamata Banerjee and of leaders like Mr. Mitra? Tausif, I want Smita to respond.
BJP, Congress, TMC or whosoever. So yes,
your name is not Smita. Please let Smita put out her opening comments, Tausif.
You are not listening to me. That's why I have to shout.
Yes, Smita.
A couple of points that I want to make. I think there seems to be a little bit of confusion over the word Parakram. Parakram translates into courage and not into aggression. It's not Akraman. I think there seems to be a little bit of confusion in Bengal, if I may say so. That's why they are like getting worked up about the word Parakram. I mean, it means courage. So why is there? What is there? Tausif, please don't get so hot under the collar. Courage is something that Netaji boasts. It fits into his name completely. The second point that I want to make to people like you and to others is that Bengal's icons are not just Bengal's icons, they are India's icons. Patel was not just of Gujarat, he was also of India. Similarly, Nehru wasn't just of UP or Kashmir. So similarly, everybody from Bengal is part of India. So this cheer denge, phad denge, ye kar denge, wo kar denge, doesn't work. If you remember your Khudiram Bose, he just a couple of weeks back, you know, we discussed this. Khudiram Bose was forgotten in Bengal, right? It was only remembered by the older generation. Younger generation had completely forgotten. In fact, in school textbooks, it came under extremism. So Khudiram Bose, Jatindra Nath, Prafulla Chakki, these people's names, they came under revolutionary terrorism. You Bengalis are to blame. You are to blame that Bose has not become a figure for the rest of India, for the younger generation to remember as fondly as probably they remember Nehru. Why? What have you done? What have you done to keep the memory of Bose alive? Where have you done it? Mainstream parties and journalists now
here on the debate and threaten Smita like that.
Mainstream political parties are coming to Bengal.
I'll have to come in here. You can't put out these threats here on the show. Listen, Tausif. I must tell you what Madan Mitra said. Then I'm going to take this to Neelam and also to Barrister Kabir Shankar Bose.